Well, good day everyone. We're hanging out here in Armitage Park. I've got my motorhome. Got some tools. And I'm hanging out here working on a Country Coach 2008 bath and a half. Putting in a new dash radio. So we got the existing radio harness right here on the ground. Right here. Here's the new one, pinned and everything. Let you guys know that all that fancy equipment, the OEM crimpers and all that, IntelliTech tools and the laptops used for all that, that was all Coach Solutions or Brian's RV videos or mine. So we've got that same hustle going. We're still waiting on some brokers to get our property dialed in. So right now we're just kind of doing that mobile RV tech. And we found this great lot here at Armitage that is a group lot. So it has two 50 amp services on it. So I come out here, throw my mobile executive office suite in one spot, and then work on the coach in the other spot. It's working out pretty good for me, I gotta say. Really happy about it. But we're gonna do this Kenwood dash radio install. We've played with some of these awnings today. We've got a couple other things. We did do a tow bar on the front of his Jeep and got him a brand new all-terrain Roadmaster for the Jeep to be able to be towed. So excellent day here. We'll get this installation all going, show you a few more things, and get this video wrapped up. But thanks everybody for coming along. Alright, radios in the dash. You've all probably seen one of those in one of my previous videos. If not, you can always hit those up and find one of those. Today we did the Kenwood DMX 1037S. There is a 1057 XR, which is a little higher line. You can check the details of that on some other web pages. But I thought I'd give you all a little information about the window awnings. Customer came in and says, oh, to get them all to start I got to press two buttons at once and then they all run together. And I'm like, well, that isn't right. As you know, this is the wall remote that goes in these coaches. It is actually a remote control, even though it's mounted in this panel. So I've went along and programmed each one of the awnings appropriately. Doing so, you have to actually unhook the power. It's a little dark in here, I don't have all the lights on, but you have to unhook the power to each one, put them in the program mode, get all that stuff dialed in, and that'll get you taken care of. I did have to set the limits. They weren't retracting all the way, and that's kind of the other thing I wanted to show you all, besides that this is actually a physical remote. Here, we'll run this out, go to number 3, hit the extend button. We'll go up here to the ends. Now on most country coaches, there was a couple in 2010 where they used a different style motor, but actually right here in the ends, you'll see here there's a couple Allens, and those are actually how you adjust it by turning it for the way the direction of the fabric is rolling up. So I've got this one here all set, so now it's closing flush, but then it's not sucking the awning off of the body also. So quick little here too today. Did some work earlier on those Carefree awnings, getting the legs to not catch on the edge. You got to kind of shim them up. Sometime I'll do a detailed video on that. But there's the window awnings. Now there is that handheld remote that you can use, but this is the wall mounted remote here, and got those all dialed in. So everybody, thanks for taking that time to subscribe, taking that time to hit those like buttons, throw some comments below, let me know what you think. But everybody, till next time, just have a great day. Bye-bye.